How to change font size in Google Chrome on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, in order to change the font size in Google Chrome on Android, you need to change the font size on your device itself. So let's launch the settings application on your device. As you launch the settings application, scroll down and here you can see the option of display. So let's scroll down under display and here you can see the option of text size. Tap on text size and you can see the intensity over here for your font. So if you want it bigger, you can just drag it to the right, and if you want smaller, you can just drag it to the left. So I'm going to tap on large over here and then go back and simply launch the Google Chrome application over here. Now let's launch the Google Chrome browser over here and we'll be able to see the font size changed over here as well. So let's wait for a few more seconds and there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.